Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth zoom out transition that adds a cinematic flair to your videos. And it's perfect for YouTube, TikToks, Reels, or any content you want to slay. So whether you're a beginner or leveling up your editing game, this guide will have you making transitions that wow your audience in minutes. So first you can just prepare your photos or videos like this and adjust the durations to the one that you preferred. I'm going to go with 1.6 seconds, and now you can just add 2 keyframes in here, and on the first keyframe you can just zoom in the image like this. So when you play it, it will have that zoom out effect. Okay, just do the same with the next image or footages. So zoom in on the first keyframe. And to make the movement smoother, you can also add grabs. Click on the grabs options in here. Now you can click on linear and adjust it. So add the beat in here and move it just like this. Okay, do the same with the next photo. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you can just add the blur and shake effects. So first I'm going to add the blur effect. Click on effects, video effects, and here add the blur, this one. Add it at the beginning of your photos just like this, and then now add keyframes, the 3 keyframes on the effect. And on the last keyframe, make the blur 0. On the second one, 50. So the blur will look like this. And on the first one, you can go with 100. Now copy the effects and move it to the beginning of the next footage. You need to make sure that it applies to all videos so that the keyframe also will be copied on the effect like this. And now add the shake effect in here. Adjust the length the same with the previous effect, and also you need to add 3 keyframes. But here you need to make sure it applies to all video first, and now add 3 keyframes like the previous. And on the first keyframe, click on adjust and lower the speed and intensity to 0. And now at the end, so yeah, this one you need to increase the speed and intensity a little, and the last one lower it again. Copy the effect and put it on the next one, and that's it. So this will be the zoom out effect. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.